Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's look into some interesting facts.
This is nothing but a DSLR unassembled. This is the longest road on the earth that a man can walk in. If a foreigner gives birth in a plane while flying over the United States, the baby is automatically a US citizen. Two-sided statue by unknown artist in India. A 27-year Chinese man proposed the girl by solving 840 Rubik's Cube and by using them to create a giant portrait of his dream girl. But she said no. Being a global brand ambassador of Dubai tourism, Shah Rukh Khan is the only man in the world after Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, UAE's Prime Minister, who is allowed to free stay and free dinner in any 5-star and 7-star hotel in Dubai. A town in Brazil named Noiva de Cordeiro has shortage of men and lot of beautiful women are looking for men to love and marry them. This picture is made by a Russian artist. This is a picture of a smiling girl which can be seen only when your eyes are half closed. This dog saved its owner when his house was burning. No other creature in this world is as loyal as a dog. There is enough sperm in one single man to impregnate every woman on earth. A kick in the nuts is about 9,000 in the scale of pain, which is similar to giving birth to 160 kids and breaking up to 3,200 bones at a time. India was never a part of Asia. It separated from Australia and collided with Asia about 55 million years ago. Even today, India is moving northeast at a rate of 5 cm per year. Israel is the only country in the world where women can be found roaming with the M16 assault rifle. In Mahabharata, the total number of deaths were 1.6 billion in just 18 days. The earth gets 100 tons heavier every day due to falling space dust. The animal in the Firefox logo is not a fox. Actually, it's a red panda. Tokyo is the safest city in the world. 6 years old can travel in the public transport on their own. How old were you when you realized that this is the correct way? Supermodel Bella Hadid is the world's most beautiful woman according to science. She has a face that is 94.35% perfect. During World War II, a Great Dane named Juliana defused a bomb by peeing on it and earned a Blue Cross. In 1890, there was a cure for headache. Its name was vibration therapy. On your smartphone, type *#07# then it will show the radiation level of your phone. If it is less than 1.6 watt per kg, then it is correct. If it is more, then you must change your phone immediately. You get red eyes in pictures because your pupil is just a hole and the flash reflects the blood in the back of your eyes. The Dead Sea is so dense with salt that you can easily float on it without drowning. Only India has 6 seasons in a year. Your nose is always visible to you. Your mind ignores it through a process called unconscious selective attention. Kukur Tihar is a festival in Nepal dedicated solely to thanking. If you commit a crime in North Korea, it's not just you that goes to the prison. Your entire family goes too. Vitamin D does not come from the sun. It comes from our skin. Sunlight is the factor that converts cholesterol in our skin to vitamin D3. People who sleep on their stomachs with their arms above their heads have more sexual dreams. NASA shared picture of snow-covered Himalayas, city lights of Delhi and Lahore from space.
We will be back with more interesting facts. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Also do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.